Well, hello everyone. My name is Rangan Basu and I work as the digital content specialist in the branding and communication department of Adamas University. Today, me and my colleagues went around the campus and we asked a few people about Teachers' Day. So let's just go and see what they had to say.
Teachers are the people who help us to build our career.
টিচার মানে যারা সবসময় একটা টিচ করে আমাদেরকে, কিন্তু সবসময় যে একাডেমিক্যালি টিচ করবে সেটা তো নয়। টিচার যে আমার লাইফের টিচ করবে এবং সমস্ত কিছু প্রবলেম সলভিং।
टीचर मतलब अब ये सवाल किससे पूछोगे तो सबके माइंड में पहले ये आएगा कि कॉलेज के टीचर्स, स्कूल के टीचर्स, बट मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगता। मेरे को लगता है हमें जो बचपन से जो हमें शिक्षा दे के आए हैं, जैसे हमारे माता पिता, हमारे भैया, जो भी है फैमिली मेम्बर्स, ये सभी हमारे टीचर्स थे।
Somebody who leads you towards a right path, somebody who guides you and like helps you realize your vision. So to me, teacher is that.
What we understand by teacher is a friend, is a person who molds us, who makes us a better person, who gives us the real life experience, the world outside.
Okay, so if there's one memory that you've had with one of your teacher that's memorable, what will that be?
Academically, since I have always been a kind of student who got that all love and attention from the teacher, I was quite fortunate enough for that. But especially I would like to mention about my dance teacher. She was one of the kind. She was like a friend to me. She was like not only a teacher but a parent to me. She have always guided me not only for dance but also somewhere about studies, somewhere about life, and I felt somewhere that the safe space I wanted to share with my mom, I felt that I shared it with her.
According to me, I cannot imagine my life without teachers. As said by Kabir Das ji in his Doha, that Guru Gobind do khade kake lagu paye, baliharu Guru apno jin Gobind diyo bataye. He tries to say that even if God and a teacher is standing together, I will first touch the feet of my teacher because he is the only reason I know who is God, what he is, and what has he created.
To be honest, I have a lot, but I remember back in 7th standard, there was this teacher. Her name was Tanushri ma'am. So she used to like hate me, like send me outside the class every day. So after I got in my 11th standard, I remember she like became a very like a guiding figure to me and like really helped me a lot. So that was a literal 180-degree turn.
When we were in the school days, we used to steal chalks.
And that's something to be proud of?
Kind of.
Ma'am, if there was one superpower that teachers could have, or if there was one superpower that you could have as a teacher, so what would that superpower be?
Actually, I think that I do not need any superpower because being a teacher is itself a superpower because it is the only way through which we can change hundreds of people's lives, and I believe that that's the best thing that a teacher can do.
It's a most important thing in your life to be very much disciplined. Okay, so if I had that kind of superpower, so make all the people, all the students disciplined about their life to become a very successful man. That is the most important thing is to be very much disciplined. ये सब लोग जो अभी इधर खड़े हैं, ये लोग disciplined wise रहते हैं, लेकिन कुछ जगह पे ये लोग भटक जाते हैं कि आप क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, और बीच बीच में ऐसा कुछ काम ये कर जाते हैं कि जो डिसिप्लिन को नहीं दिखाता है. तो सब एट फर्स्ट दे शुड बी
Sorry. They cannot be sorry.
no yes obviously
I'd probably go invisible and keep a very strong supervision on what the students are doing when they're not under supervision. So that will be quite a super effect of sorts on the student community, and then make the mistakes and make some alignment so that we can get things right for the students. Yeah.
I'm very certain that I would never want any of my teachers to have that superpower because they'd be startled to know what I'm doing right now. So
Thankfully, I never had one as well.
I would say that if I get the ability to assess and find out the talent of every student the moment I see, because every student has talent of their own, then I would be super happy.
on that note, here's wishing everyone a very happy Teachers' Day. You know what they say, your present is a byproduct of your past and your future is the work you do today. And today, the work that we are doing and the kind of initiatives that we are taking, it will only be possible with the guidance and love of our teachers. So on that note, here's saying goodbye and a very happy Teachers' Day to one and all.